Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can earn a new airdrop here on the Gateio exchange without having to go through all the rigorous processes of airdrop farming. And this particular airdrop, guys, is the Kodiak Airdrop. Alright, now in case you're new to this channel or you're not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. Alright, and you also do well to give this video a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Now I've been able to make a deep research concerning this particular Kodiak airdrop, and over here guys you'll be able to see some of the research I'm talking about. They've raised over $1 million. You can see this right here, and they're about to list on the Gateio launchpad for about $0.35. You can see this right here, and the number of tokens, the amount of tokens we are looking at is about 3 million tokens. All right, so you can do well to do the mathematics and how much you stand the chance of benefiting from this particular airdrop. All right, now the platform is the Gateio exchange. You can see this right here, and the lockup is about 100% unlocked. So at the end of the airdrop campaign, you'll be able to get 100% of what you got from this particular launchpad. All right, and this is not going to last for a very long time. This is just going to start on the 17th of December 2025 and last until the 21st of December 2025. So you don't have all the time to do this to participate in this particular airdrop campaign. All right, now to get started, I'll be leaving the link for you guys in the description box of this video. That is the link to the Gateio exchange. In case you don't have an account with them, go ahead and create one, get it verified, and you're good to go. All right, now once you click on the second link I placed in the description box of this video, this page is going to come up, and this is where you see the announcements concerning this particular campaign. All right, you can see Gate Launchpad number 5 Kodiak in brackets KDK subscription is about to begin. Tokens subscribed in this round will be distributed using 100% unlock method. This project supports commitments with both USDT and GUSD, providing users with greater flexibility and all the rest of them. So all you have to do, guys, is just to come up here and read a bit more concerning this particular airdrop campaign before you participate in it. All right, like I already said, the unlock method, guys, is going to be 100%. So after the whole farming process, you'll be able to get 100% of what you earned, even without leaving anyone locked. All right, and like they said, guys, you'll be able to use both USDT and GUSD to participate in this particular airdrop campaign. So once you click on this one that says commit now, all right, once you click on commit now, this page is going to come up, and over here, guys, you'll be able to see a bit more concerning this particular airdrop campaign. All right, now you can choose to commit with USDT or choose to commit with GUSD. Both of them are stable coins, so you stand the chance of being stable even amidst the fluctuations in the crypto market lately. All right, now in this USDT allocation pool, guys, you stand the chance of benefiting from 2.1 million KDK tokens. You can see this right here. So all you have to do, guys, is just to make use of USDT, as this gives you more opportunity and more liberty to gain more of these KDK tokens. All right, now for GUSD, guys, you'll be able to participate in claiming 900,000 KDK tokens. So all you have to do to participate in this is just to come here, guys, and put in the amount of USDT you want to lock. After some time, that is after about 2 to 3 days, that is on the 21st of December 2025, both your USDT and the KDK tokens will be unlocked 100% and given to you. All right, now this is an opportunity for you guys to participate in this particular airdrop farming here on the Gateio launchpad, as there are not so much airdrops listing in the crypto market lately due to the instability and the fluctuations in the crypto market. All right, like I said, if you want to commit, all you have to do, guys, is just to make deposits of USDT in your Gateio account and lock it for some time. You can see this right here, guys, that 1 KDK is about 0.35 USD. All right, that's dollar. So all you have to do, guys, is just to put in the amount of USDT you want to commit or GUSD, any one of them. You'll be able to benefit from these KDK airdrop tokens. Lock it for some time, that is after 2 to 3 days on the 21st. Both your USDT or your GUSD and these KDK tokens you earn from this farming pool will be given to you straight to your wallet. All right, if you have questions to ask or any confusion, do well to put it down in the comment section, and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. And in case you're not yet part of our Telegram community, I'll be leaving the link for you guys in the description box of this video. Click on it and join us on Telegram so you don't miss out on the updates we share on our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.